Sometimes last year, I visited one of my friends. We grew up together in the same small town, and his dream has always been to become a lawyer. Now he's a lawyer, but the reality I suspect had set in for him. He doesn't sound as if he loves his job. More so, money doesn't come as much as everyone thought lawyers should have. So he was considering doing something else. Since he knows me to be an entrepreneur, he wanted my advice, to which I generously gave by showing him how he could start an online business the same day we met. Unfortunately, he didn't follow my advice, and I'm sure 99% of the people who will watch this video will do nothing about it. But 1% is worth working for anyway. So let's continue with the video as I show you how you can start an online business right now. If you are an entrepreneur or an ambitious person, we specially invite you to join our motivational channel, which was designed to give you daily inspirations so that you will have the strength to pursue and achieve your most important dreams. We call this channel Hunt TV, and you can join in the description box. 1. Use the internet to teach others what you know. I love business. I started my first major business at age 15. Nothing has made me high as much as creating and selling things, concept, or an idea. Business is my life, but I also teach business and make a lot of money doing so. If today I'm a medical doctor, guess what I'll be doing? I'll be here on YouTube, giving people medical advice. If today I'm a soldier, imagine what I'll be doing. I'll be here on YouTube, teaching people about personal security and maybe warfare if the army policies allow me. If today I'm a musician, I'll be here teaching people how to compose songs, perform on stage, etc. What if I'm a teacher? Well, I know a lot of people on YouTube making thousands of dollars by teaching people English, economics, geography, etc. What if the only thing I know how to do is to draw an object? Well, search YouTube for DP Art Drawing. What the lady does is to draw for you to see. As at the time of making this video, she has 533,000 subscribers. Think about that for a minute. I don't know any law in the world which says it's a crime to teach others what you know. What I know instead is that if truly you know something, you'll love talking about it, and you might even like teaching other people. And what is as sweet as making money helping others while you do what you love? I mean, it is a win-win situation. My videos have been watched in more than 100 countries by millions of people. Yes, most of these people will just watch and move on, but a tiny percentage of them change their lives just because I share my thoughts with them. How else can anyone contribute in a little way to the world? Yet, you can make money doing so, and you can even start in the next 5 minutes. It only takes about 30 seconds to open a YouTube channel, about 1 or 2 minutes to open other social media channels, and that's it. 2. Understand how the internet works so that you can promote your products there. More than half of the world's population use the internet every day, but a very tiny percentage of these people have an understanding of how the internet works. When you don't understand something, how can you make good use of it? My life changed in the year 2014 when I understood that I could use software to know what people are searching for on the internet. To even make me crazy, this software is free. So I started thinking, if I can understand what people are searching for in my country, I can know what products or service to create and market to them. This singular information changed my life. There are thousands of other things you need to understand about the internet. For example, if you create a blog or website for your company, you can track the people who visit the blog and remarket to them anywhere they go on the internet. Facebook and Google will help you do that. I have used Chabot to make thousands of dollars in the last 2 years, and I'm planning to use it again now. There are tons of other things that can change your business or life about the internet, social media, and YouTube, but you have to search, learn, and learn. I challenge you to lock yourself indoor for a week and spend all your time on Google learning how the internet works and how people use the internet to promote their businesses and make money. You can create something, a free blog, a social media or YouTube account immediately after watching this video. Then start learning how the internet works. Your life can change with a single piece of information. 3. Stop waiting till you figure everything out. The journey of life is like a spiritual journey. You'll never get to a period of time when you will understand everything about God. Never. If you want to wait till you know everything about God before you believe he exists, then you become an atheist, and so many people in your world today are like the atheists. They never start pursuing their dreams just because they have no perfect understanding. Well, I have some bad news for you. You'll never have a perfect understanding of anything. Look at this channel you're watching now. It's one of the 10 biggest money and entrepreneurship channels in the world. But guess what? We still don't know everything. I still struggle every day with a few things. Yeah, we do not know a lot, but we would have known nothing if we didn't start with errors. I remember my first attempt using social media to promote my idea. It was so stupid that I can't even get my head to tell you about it. Very shameful. I remember my first website or even my first 2 or 3 attempts on YouTube. They were all stupid, and I wish it weren't me so I can shame the person who did all that. But it was me, and it's just normal for anyone to make mistakes. You just have to start something immediately and keep moving. 4. Be willing to sacrifice several months or a few years. I met a guy a few weeks ago who told me about his attempts on the internet. This guy posted like 2 or 3 videos on YouTube, and because nobody watched them, he stopped posting. I was on my way to the bank, so I didn't have time to tell him what I'm about to say to you now. We published about 470 videos on this channel before we had our breakthrough. Yes, about 470 videos. Some of those videos were so bad that when I later watched them, I was afraid my children could see them in the future and think their father was the most stupid human to ever live. So I deleted them. When I started blogging in the year 2014, I had to sacrifice a year before I started making money. Reasonable money, I mean. Today, I see a lot of people who get discouraged simply because they have tried 1 or 2 things on the internet and failed. If success is as easy as ask can get, why are there only a few who get it? If everyone who tries something can get a result in 3 months, why won't everyone become successful? But I know what is going on here. Most people are products of school, and in school, you were never taught how to fight. You were only taught how to get grades and get jobs, then get paid forever. Nothing in school teaches you how to work for free. For a long time, and that's why someone will tell me that they started a business last 6 months, and because they have not been making a lot of money, they want to give up. By far, the greatest things that have ever happened to me happened after I started. Start and decide never to look back. Yes, you'll make some silly mistakes, but it won't matter after you succeeded. I hope this video helps you. And just before you go, watch other videos on YouTube. If you're an entrepreneur or an ambitious person, we invite you to join our motivational channel. The objective of the channel is to give you daily inspiration so that you will have the strength to pursue and achieve your most important dreams. We call this channel Hunt TV, and you can join in the description box. We love you.